The graphs show the amount being paid in Social Security benefits and the amount going into the system. All data are expressed in billions of dollars. Amounts from 2012 through 2024 are projections. The following exercise is based on the data shown by the graphs. On the vertical axis, we have income outflow in billions of dollars. On the horizontal axis, we have year from 2004, 2024. Income is the blue curve, outflow is your red curve. The data for the system's outflow can be modeled by the formula B equals 0.07x squared plus 47.4x plus 500, where B represents the amount paid in benefits in billions of dollars, X years after 2004. According to this model, when will the amount paid in benefits be $1,177 billion? Round to the nearest year. What we do then is we substitute the 1177 for B. So we would have the equation 1177 is equal to 0.07x squared plus 47.4x plus 500. We need to solve this equation for x. So here's the equation. We begin by subtracting 1177 from each side, and I'm also going to write the equation on the left-hand side, starting with 0.07x squared plus the 47.4x, and when I subtract the 1177, we get minus 677, and of course, when we subtract from this side, we get 0. This is a quadratic equation. We will use the quadratic formula to solve for x. X is equal to negative b, which is the coefficient of the linear term, so negative 47.4, plus or minus b squared, so 47.4 squared, minus 4 times a, which is the coefficient of the squared term, 0.07, times c, which is the constant term, negative 677. All of that divided by 2 times a, which is 2 times 0.07. Now, of course, use your calculator to evaluate this. And yes, you get 2 different answers. One will be negative, but since we're talking about years, we don't have to pay attention to that. The other one will be positive, and it's approximately 14. Now that's, again, representing years after 2004. So we say 2004 plus 14, and that tells us that the outflow will be approximately $1,177 billion in the year 2018.